Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So festive season is finally here and today's tutorial is my first festive look on my channel for this season. And in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you this beautiful Onam makeup tutorial, and I have created this golden eye look and paired it with a beautiful pink lipstick, and I loved the way how it turned out. I think you can wear this look to any festival, any party or any occasion. If you do not know what Onam is an annual harvest festival celebrated by Malayali people in and outside of Kerala. Before starting, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As it is a festive makeup, a primer is must. For that I'm using my NYX Photo Loving primer and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck. I am mainly focusing on my T-zone area because my makeup tends to wear off really fast from my T-zone and I do not want that. And this primer is great for any festival. It just makes your makeup long lasting. It just blurs out all your imperfections. This primer is great. For my foundation, I am going with this L.A.Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation in the shade Natural, and I'm just buffing it in using my damp beauty sponge. This one is from L'Oreal. Again, this foundation is great for this festive season. This foundation is really long lasting, gives you a medium to full coverage and gives your face a very nice luminosity which looks stunning. For highlighting and concealing, I am using this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the sides of my mouth, and I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer gives you a full coverage. It is really easy to blend, it is long lasting and crease proof. Also, it is affordable. So if you are looking for a good drugstore concealer for this festive season, just give it a shot. Taking whatever is left on my sponge, I am applying it on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. Now I'm taking this Bharat Dorris loose powder in the shade 07, and with the same damp sponge I am setting my under eyes and my smile lines. This way the concealer will not crease easily. Now with a soft synthetic brush I am just pressing the powder in. Again, it will just make my makeup long lasting. Now I am doing my brows with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Nothing crazy, I want my brows to look really natural and soft. So I'm not like over drawing or overlining my brows. I'm just filling it up using smaller strokes. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. For my eyes, first I'm taking this warm brown color from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and with a fluffier blending brush from Drugstore, I'm just applying it on my crease as well as on my outer V area. Basically, I'm giving my eyes a little bit of shape. I'm taking this beautiful golden foil eyeshadow and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelids. The reason why I decided to use a golden eyeshadow is I did a little bit of research and I found out people wear white sarees with golden borders, and I thought this golden shadow will look perfect with that kind of setup and that kind of outfit. Now I'm just lining my eyes, or I'm just creating a wing. Nothing crazy, just a little bit something, you know. So I'm creating a really tiny small wing here. I'm just tight lining my eyes using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I feel like Indian festive makeup is incomplete without Kajal. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a generous amount of mascara. I'm not going to wear falsies, so mascara is must. And here is the final eye look. I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot my lower lash line. I wanted to smoke it out using that brown eyeshadow a bit, but I totally forgot. I'm sorry for that. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer and I'm just slightly contouring the parameters of my face. I do not want my contour to look really harsh, but I really want something because I have a round face, and if I do not contour it looks really weird. And this contour powder, it's like a little bit just a little bit darker than my own skin tone, and it is not like too warm toned, not too cool toned, and it creates a perfect natural looking shadow. For my blush, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink, and with this Flower Beauty brush, I'm just slightly applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Of course, highlighter is must. It is a festive look. For that, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face using this Real Techniques blending brush. I'm just setting my entire makeup with my Wet n Wild makeup setting spray. Makeup setting spray is must because it just makes your makeup long lasting. For my lips, I decided to go with a vibrant pink color. This is my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. It is a stunning wearable pink lipstick. And here is the final look. I really loved the way it turned out. It is so easy to create and it is so wearable, still stunning, isn't it? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. So see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah.